This is Buy My Money, and today is January 8th, 2021, and it feels good to do one of these videos. It's been a while since I've done one of these. Um, this is a live trading journal with live commentary, scalping the E-mini, using only one setup, the two-legged pullback, and the goal is to make $500 a day. And as you can see on the top left, I'm already up $1,000. I finished up the day, and yeah, the reason why I haven't done one of these videos is because I have just been so busy. I've been so busy ever since. If you guys don't know, the Two-Legged Pullback Deluxe Edition has opened up. It's now available, and anyone who has the Deluxe Edition has exclusive access to a Two-Legged Pullback community. And in that community, I'll just say right now, it slaps. This community is filled with people who are hungry and active to break the E-mini using automated strategies. If you haven't seen the latest couple videos of automated strategies using the two-legged pullback indicator, go ahead and check out the channel. I'll put the link in the description below. But essentially, the deluxe version has capabilities to do automated trading. And so with the community all together working to make automated strategies, test each other's automated strategies, give ideas, and critique others' automated strategies, all together working together to create the best automated strategies that we can work with using the Two-Legged Pullback Deluxe Edition. And so, if you're interested, go ahead and check out the official website at tweleggedpullback.com, and there you can find more information. But I'll just say right now, the community slaps. 2021 is the year of automation for two-legged pullback. I'll just say right now, most automated strategies, they kind of blindly use indicators. Our automated strategy uses actual price action to try to make automated trades. And so that's only possible with the two-legged pullback powering up the automated strategies as an engine. And so please go ahead and check the website. We'll love if you guys join our community to try to break the E-mini with automated strategies. But this video is me trading not with automated strategies, me trading manually the two-legged pullback. I think honestly, if you can't trade manually, then it's very hard to trade with an automated strategy, because how would you know what setups are good if you do not have to first trade manually the two-legged pullback? And so this video is me trading manually with live commentary, and I'm up $1,000 today, as you can see on the top left. And yeah, stick around if you want to see my trades and my thought process behind each one of them. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and as always, happy trading and God bless. Oh yeah, before I forget, if you find these videos to be helpful or interesting, it helps a lot if you like and subscribe, and that way you can keep up to date to all the things happening at this channel. And so I would really appreciate it if you guys did that. Alright, on to the video. With two-legged pullback setting up here. A, B, C. And the next reversal will be a second entry, A, B, C. It's a 2K chart. Be waiting here, priming up my order to get on this reversal. Let's get this ready. I'll explain the chart a little bit, the setup a little bit here. So currently we have a wedge here on the 2K chart. Also the highs, previous major pivot highs, coming back down to retest them. And we're okay. That just scalped out so quick. But yep, there's a scalp. We do have a two-legged pullback forming here. A, B, C. Most likely we'll make a point here. Let's get a retracement back here. I'm thinking retracement up to here. Yesterday's close. Let's get retracement back up here and then expect it to come back down. Got the retracement. Now expecting it to come down here. So it broke the leg, but I expected retracement. It hit my scalp already, but retracement about a good area, about halfway up this. But really it was caused by this yesterday's close, which is this red line. And I knew that it will come back up because look at how strong this bar is. And I don't think it will trap. I think it actually will make a point beyond this. But I knew the retracement will come because essentially this would be a trading range. But that was a two-legged pullback triggered, and so I know there are bears in town, and so once the bears basically came out here to make their scalp from this, I knew they would come back in, but most likely we can make another scalp here actually. But that was a good retracement trade. Yep, scalp made anyways. I knew that bear leg would get a scalp sooner, but I just wanted that first retracement because of how bad the signal bar was. I'm going to take this actually. Two-legged pullback, top of the wedge. It's a terrible signal bar, but I saw the exhaustion here. Trying to attempt up. Couldn't make it. I'm going to go long on this trap. Expecting to hit this blue line. This blue line is currently a magnet. Waiting for this trap to hit. Magenta box trap because this two-leg pullback failed to make a point. Waiting for it to hit my scalp. Still waiting. Just being patient. H4 failure. Waiting for the H4 failure, waiting to be filled in my trap here still. H4 failure. I'm gonna look to go short after this H4 failure. Right at the blue line, at the wedge. Just let it ride. Still expecting it for it to hit the blue line here. And then reverse. Some people ask, why do you use a 4-point stop? Why don't you just put one stop, one tick below your signal bar low? And this is exactly why. Because if you're looking for a 1-point stop, you can't have a 90% probability with almost an equal R to R. If you want to have 90% probability, you need to have, in my mind, a good risk to reward ratio to make the 90% probability make sense in the trader's formula. So that's why I keep it at the 4 points. And if I had put it one tick below this signal bar low, I would have been stopped out, obviously. And ready to get filled very soon here. It's just not close enough to the blue line. It's gonna act as a magnet. Watching this. Iron grip here. There it is. Took forever, but it finally hit. That's why I do a 4-point stop. With a small risk reward like that, don't expect a 90% probability to hit on your trap here. But this blue line is going to act as a magnet and most likely bounce right off of it when it touches it.